Na yun guys, oh. Ang sabi niya na tumba daw siya dahil yung bicycle walang dalawang wheels, hindi guys sa kanya. Kasi dito kasi parang hinahayaan lang silang matuto na magbike na yung walang support na dalawang wheels. Kaya sa kanya, oh. Pero itong sa kanya tatanggalin na rin ito soon para matuto siya magbike ng walang dalawang wheels.
The skateboard is broken.
Yeah, it's broken. But my love, tomorrow is your carnival. And you have a big bruise in your forehead.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay?
Yeah,
Ay, ay, ay.
it's not a problem.
Asus, si correct lang. It's not a problem. Kada karon ko si ko lang kingan mo karon ay.
It's
Ah,
carnival.
tomorrow. Wait for mama. Mama bicycle is here. Wait.